So guys, eto guys, so yung kinuha ko ni Nay. I, I'm walking around here in the street and then I saw a tree with, what do you call this, peach? So ayan guys. Mm. 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 Ang dami niyang bunga. Doon, I steal this from other garden. So guys, alam nyo, babala lang guys. Yung hilig makipag-chat dyan. Ingat-ingat po tayo ngayon sa mga scammer because a lot of scammer in this world. Mm. Mm. So good. Mm. This is my breakfast and my lunch. I love eating fruits. Mm. Fruits is my favorite. It doesn't matter what kind of fruits, but I like it. Mm. So good. Mm. Ang laki niya, oh. So, there is a lot of fruits there. Oh, I'm going na. Guys, second week nang namatay yung pusa ko. So, sa Saturday, third week na sila. Siya, di pa rin ako makamove on. Nalulungkot pa rin ako kasi 2 times a week ko siyang dinadalaw doon sa libingan niya. Hi! Hamak sa work. Ayan. So guys, that's all for today. Enjoy eating. Bye!